Ain't nothing like a nice big fresh hot cup of coffee in the mornings. Am I right? I love my coffee. It's my go juice. It's my go juice. Love it, love it, love it. And you know what? I'm one of those people who swore up and down that, you know, I was only a morning person as far as coffee goes. But I found as I've gotten older, I'm drinking more coffee. You know, it's probably not really a good thing to do. I honestly probably drink about 3 cups a day. I guess it's all right. I could have worse habits, you know, right? Am I right? Today we're doing something a little on the healthier side, and I want to bring you guys right along with me while I'm cooking this. So, you know, it's something that I like, and I know that you guys are going to like, and I don't know, it's just simply delicious. What I'm making today is, if my avocados are still good, we're going to have to take a look at those. I bought them several days ago, and I like to buy them when they're still hard, you know, not too soft, because I like to sit them on my counter, and because I'm not always ready to eat them right away. But I love avocados, love, love, love them. So this morning I am making like a very quick and easy avocado egg salad type deal. I am going to use some boiled eggs, which I got boiling right now in the background. Some avocados. I'm going to chop some tomatoes up. Some onions. We're going to use some, maybe a little bit of onion salt to go in it, because I love onion salt in my egg salad. A little bit of mayonnaise and some pepper, and I don't know what else we'll throw in there. Maybe that might be it, but I don't know. I think I might have it on some toast. I'm trying to really watch my bread intake, because, you know, carbs are, even though they're so delicious, but they're just not, they're not fitting for me. They just don't, they're not, bread just don't look good on these thighs, is all I'm saying. But let's go ahead and get started chopping up our vegetables, and we're letting the eggs go, let them boil. I like to boil them for about 10 minutes, and they're perfect. You don't get any of that yellow, green, or whatever ness to the yolk. But anyway, I'm just rambling on, so let's go ahead and get started. Cheers. Get you a nice hot cup of coffee, and grab your avocados and your eggs and your onions, and let's make this together. Y'all see how simple that was? Very, very easy. I've just got some tomatoes, some avocado in here, a little bit of white onion diced, and some egg. Egg, tomato, avocado, onion. Yep, that's what I got in there. My avocados wasn't looking all that great, but you know what? Those suckers are expensive. I'm not going to waste them. I'm going to put a nice big heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise in there. I don't know. I might add a little bit more. You know, those avocados had started turning brown, but you know what? That's all right. I'm going to eat them anyway. And I want to bite right now. I can't wait. Wash my hand off. I love avocados. Either you like them or you don't like them. And I like them. But they are too expensive to waste. Like I said, I bought 3 of them, and I should have been eating on them before now, but I didn't. This is quick and easy, and it is absolutely delicious. I love this. I love simple things like this. And, you know, because all you have to do... I got the wrong one. I got garlic salt. I do not want to add any... I don't want to add garlic salt to this. I can't believe I said that. I don't want to add garlic salt. But I like to add a little bit of onion salt. I add onion salt to my egg salad as well. If you haven't watched that video, you really need to go watch it because it is so good and so creamy. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. If you wanted to, for a little bit of heat. You could add some crushed red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. Or, guys, stop, please. Or you could add just a little pinch of cayenne pepper. If you want. I like heat. I don't know about you. Look at that. If you're an avocado fan and you like egg salad and tomatoes and all that good stuff, whoops, this is definitely for you. You know what? You guys have to be forgiving. My dogs are playing. I gotta go in for a bite. I'm gonna have me a bite of that, a little bite of onion, everything. Oh my. That is so good. So simple. And if you're looking to do a little bit of low carb, or looking to do a little healthier, trying to watch the breads like I am, then this is perfect for you. I gotta have another bite. I can't tell you how good that is. I'm gonna spread me a little bit on my toast. I know, guys. I said that I wasn't gonna make any toast, but guess what? I'm a woman. You know, I can change my mind at any time. Any second of the day, I can change my mind. Look how beautiful that is. I almost dropped it. It's all right. I'd ate it right off the floor. That's how good it is. I gotta have a bite. Another bite. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Make sure you give this recipe a try. It is simple, delicious, very healthy for you. And remember, avocados is so good for your complexion. When you get my age, you need all the help you can get. You know I love you guys so very much. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all your wonderful support for my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and for all you oldies, thank you for sticking around. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy.